about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Clapper app. You just click on search. Then here at Clapper, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store. You click here on your Play Store. Then you search for Clapper. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. As all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.